Hey guys, so I've been getting a lot of ceiling fans recently. I realized that I haven't really been making videos of them. So I'm going to try and do that now tonight, at least with the ones, because I think all but one of the fans I have hanging at the moment you haven't seen before. So this is the first one. I got this one today. I'm going to say it was donated because it was given to me. I have no, just realized that blade is really filthy. That one blade. I cleaned the tops of the blades were thick with dust. These blades clean really easily because they're gloss finish and they're plain on both sides. So there's no rattan. This fan is dated 2007 and I have no idea who made it. If you recognize the canopy or the blade brackets or anything, let me know because I haven't seen this fan before and the labels don't say what company it is. It just says that it's 52 inch and that it was made in 2007 and a bunch of other useless information. 60 watts. Mount blades at least 7 feet from the floor. Maximum, what was that, 60 or 80? 60. 52 inch. And that's all of the labels that are on it. On quality control. There you go, 5th of 2007. Yeah, don't know who made it. I think it might be Omega, but I'm not exactly sure. I think the McDonald's in Broome has some Hellas, I want to say, that have that same canopy. I didn't go to that McDonald's the Broome trip that I just got back from. I went last time I went, so I could be wrong. But anyways, we'll go ahead and start it out on low. It doesn't perform very well at all, even on high speed. It doesn't spin very fast, and it doesn't move too much air either. So it looks like with the light off. I do like that it has a light kit on it. I'm going to leave it on for this one. That's low speed. It's quite a nice slow low speed. I do like a slow aesthetic low speed. I'm not going to be keeping this fan hanging for long. I'm probably going to take it down after I finish this video, even though I only got it today. Maybe I might keep it up. Might swap it with this other fan that's been up for a while, I'm not sure. We'll move it up to medium. This is just on a HPM XL 3-speed controller that I have on the wall of the shed for every fan except for the Martech. As you can see, those controllers. And I just broke my camera stand. Alright, we'll move it up to high speed now. It does move a bit of air actually, when there's no other wind, which I guess is the idea because it's an inside fan. It's quite corroded, as you could probably tell. It was installed inside. But that's basically as fast as it gets. And it doesn't move. It moves some air, like there's definitely a breeze directly underneath it, but not much. So we'll go ahead and do spin down. Ghost birds are arguing. Did I have a water in the fridge? No, I didn't. The blades are quite heavy, so it'll probably take a while to spin down. Yeah, quite a long spin down. Holy crap. Guess the bearings in it are definitely good. Okay. Thanks for watching. Comment below if you have any idea what this is.